Rotational molding is different from other plastic methods of manufacturing. The resin melts into the walls and is not forced in as with blow molding or thermoforming. At R&R Technologies we offer many advantages with plastic rotational molding. Here are the top 7 advantages. Plastic rotational molding can make different pieces of the same shape quickly and cheaply. With low-cost tooling you can use cheaper metals to make the tools because the pressure is lower than normal during the process. You get wall thickness the same all the way through. This happens by rotating the mold during both heating and cooling. You can make double wall containers that can be made without molding the container twice. Many parts can be molded into one solid stronger piece. They do not need to be welded or attached separately. The molding material is not exposed to outside pressure. You get a more stable and less defects in the finished product. Rotational molding creates thicker corners. This will reduce the chance that the corners will break. Finally, the metal used in rotational molding tools makes it easier to add details, like logos and letters or symbols. For more information and a free consultation, call 812-526-2655 today. We will be glad to answer any questions you may have. We can help. Call 812-526-2655 now. You will be glad you did.